In this video, I'm going to share with you a very powerful Etsy product research tool that I've been using that has really helped us grow our Etsy brand. And the cool thing about this tool is, well, it has a free version, and the free version is pretty powerful. I'm going to share with you how you can find niches that have high demand, but also products that you can sell that don't have a ton of competition. That's really the power of this tool. How would you like to be able to know that the products that you are launching, people are searching for and people are buying? The thing is, I see a lot of Etsy sellers making the mistake of guessing. All they're doing is launching products that they think are in demand or that they think people would enjoy. And well, they come to find out they're not getting any sales. And a lot of times it's just because the product is not in demand. People aren't searching for it. So this tool allows us to look at search data, but also look at sales data. And that's a really, really powerful one. Now, a little bit later, I'm going to share with you some real data from inside of our account. I'm going to show you 3 products that have sales inside of our account, but I'm going to show you what this tool reported that the sales were. So you can see, is it accurate? Isn't it accurate? How far off is it? Well, I'm going to share with you 3 examples so you can see for yourself. Now, the tool that I'm talking about is Everbee. And that tool is a Chrome extension. What it will do is it will take the data that is on that page and it will go through it and it'll pull out all of the numbers and the data all the way down to how many sales it's making per month. The other thing that this tool just released was a keyword tool where you can see estimated keyword searches. Now, like any research tool, I'm not ever expecting them to be 100% accurate, but I want them to be close or at least give me a good educated guess. And I do believe that this tool does that. So let's go ahead and dig in and let me share with you how I'm using this tool and how it speeds up the process. So this way here, you can find products, you can find niches, and you can really explore what products are selling and which ones you could possibly add to your Etsy shop. So the first thing I'm going to do is just do a search, and I'm going to start with a very, very broad keyword. Like in this example would be cats. So if I did cats and I can see here, let's see, it's going to pull up the data. I'm going to start seeing numbers alongside that. Now I'm not going to go into that yet. We're going to do that a little bit later. But what I did want to say is no matter if you're using a tool or not, you're going to want to always look at the auto suggest. So in this case, we're looking at cats, cat's tree, cat's collar, cat's ornament, and so on. But I'm going to go here to cat's gift. All right. And I'm going to click on that. Again, we'll go back to those search numbers here in a minute. Now, the old way of doing it is you would have to go through here and we can look at the ones that are saying popular now. Those are ads running there. This one here is not an ad, but it says popular now. And I can just scroll through bestseller. That's another way, right? But what I'm going to do in this case is I'm going to look here and I'm looking at this one because this one here is something I feel like we could do print on demand. So again, I'm looking at numbers, but I'm also looking at products. That's the first thing that I'm doing. So let's say that I wanted to explore this product and see what it's doing, but I also wanted to see this actual shop. So what I'll do is I'll click in there. Again, this is not using the tool yet. All right. And then what I would do is I would look over here and I go, okay, they've got 92,187 sales. So wow, they've got a lot of sales. The name of the company is Pet Party Co. And then what I would probably want to do is go here to where the shop is. And then I would look at all of their other products. These are all the products that they're selling. And then what I would want to do is probably either look at their sales if they allow me to, because some stores keep this hidden and some stores don't care. In this case, it's open. I can go ahead and click in there and I can see all of their recent sales, right? 20 people have this in their cart. This is sold, that's sold, that's sold. These all sold. Now, if you don't see this, let's take a look and see what I would do. Again, this is the old fashioned way. I'm going to get to the quick way here in a second. But what I would do if I didn't have that option, because a lot of times you don't see that option, I'm surprised that this store has not turned that off, is I would go here to the reviews and then I would look at the reviews and see if there's a trend here that I can see of a product that keeps showing up. And it is, it's this one right here, this one, right? So I'm just looking at, now that's not a cat, that's a dog, right? So maybe the cat one isn't so good. So I would have to keep going. That's the old way of doing it. Let me show you how we can speed this up dramatically. So the same thing I did, cat's gift, that's what I landed on. This page has a whole bunch of products. What I can do is I can run this plugin or this extension right here. Okay. Now I do have the growth plan. And if you do want to test this out, by the way, little shameless plug, I'm not the owner of this, but I am an affiliate and you would buy me a cup of coffee. You can go to brandcreators.com/Everbee and you can try it for free. All right. And you'll get 10 searches a month. And I'll show you that you can get some keyword searches free too. I'll show you that here in a second. So what I'm going to do, once this is loaded, I'm going to go product analytics and I'm going to click on that. And what it's going to do now is it's going to pull in all of the data from that first search result page. All right. And you can see it's pulling in 65 listings. It says right here. Okay. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to sort right here. And that is estimated revenue last month. Now I can sort by estimated monthly sales, revenue, total sales, all of that, right? So I'm going to just do estimated revenue last month. And then I'm going to scroll through. And I can look and see all of these numbers. Now check this out. We've got 994 sales. That's for these pillows, right? Then I have here, let's see. I don't really want to look at an ad in this case. I want to look at something like here's those socks, or it's a different company with these socks. 550 sales. That's pretty good. And so now I'm going to go back to this one here that I originally saw, and I'm going to go ahead and click on that. This is the one that we originally landed on, remember? So what I'm going to do, two different things I'm going to do. I'm going to just run it on this listing, and it tells me everything I want to know right here. It's getting about 165 estimated sales. Now, once again, you might be wondering how accurate are those numbers. I'm going to show you how accurate those numbers are using my own sales. And I'm going to show you that here in a minute. So hang tight. But let's check this out. 165 estimated monthly sales. Okay. Estimated monthly revenue, $1,153. Guys, from socks. You could totally do these print on demand, by the way. Total sales, 9,350. Total favorites, 8,754. Now let me share with you why I like looking at the favorites. The favorites tells me that people are liking this. That means there's demand for this. So even if you're not doing this for a product research standpoint, you might be doing this just to see if this product or this market has demand. All right. So that's another way that you can use favorites. That's why that's pretty cool to see that at a glance. And then as you can see here, we've got monthly reviews. It says it's getting 28 reviews a month. And then total reviews coming from this listing was 1,582. And the listing age is 4 years and 7 months. The other cool thing that it shows us is it shows us these tags. So these tags are basically like keywords, and we're going to be able to get an idea. And then the other cool thing that we can do, really, really cool, is we can take this shop or any shop, and we can start to look at what are their top performing products, maybe give us some more ideas. All right. So what we can do is go to the shop just like I am here. And then I would go here to where it says product analytics and I would click on it. And what it's going to do is it's going to look at that page and it's going to pull all the data from that page. Well, that page is all of the products that that company is selling. In this case, it's 22 products. If you have a shop that has more than 50, you'll have to run multiple searches. But what I'm going to do here is I'm just going to click on this and I'm going to look at their top performing product that's on that page. And in this case, it's all of their products. This is the top performer. Let's look at the cat one. If I was only looking to do this for the cat market or the cat niche, because that's what I'm in, then I would want to look at this one right here because this is cats. Okay. And it's 165 monthly sales. It's $1,153 per month. Its total sales is $9,350, and it has 1,582 reviews, and its age of the listing is 55 months. So that might be one that I just want to go here, and I might want to add that to my favorites. So this way here, I can go back to it, and I can do this on multiple shops. So you see what's happening here? I'm building out a product line that I'm validating for inspiration for products that I can sell in the future. Now, I'm not saying copy at all. I would not ever do that. I would use it as inspiration. But really what we're doing here is we're trying to see the demand for this niche, in this case, the cat niche, and using something like this, socks, as another product that we could potentially sell. So that's the big takeaway here. Now, before we move on to the data comparison that I want to share with you about my own results, and we'll compare those numbers, let's talk about the keyword tool that they just rolled out. Now, once again, you can use this part for free, although you will only see the top 3 inside of the free version. After that, if you want to see all of these, you have to upgrade to the pro plan, which is totally cool. That's what I'm on. I definitely think if you're at all interested, try it out for free. See if you like it. If you do, then upgrade. But even if you just want to use these top 3, you can do that for free right now. They're offering that for free. You don't have to upgrade or anything for the top 3 keyword results. All right. So that's another cool feature that I definitely like, because that helps with looking for the keywords that you want to put in your listing, but also it gives you product ideas, and also it gives you market demand estimations. All right, so let's look at a real live example here, one that I just pulled these numbers before I did this video. All right, so this one product right here that we sell inside of our shop, myself and my wife in her shop, this one here sold 54. And I did it for the duration. Now, this product is not all that old, but I just wanted to, again, show you like no time frames. This is going to be just like, we're going to let this thing say, how many total sales did this thing make? It says 54 sold. Well, check this out. Everbee is saying 51. So you might say, well, Scott, that's not accurate. It's not right. It's not, but it's very close. And I would rather it be under than over. I've always said that. All right. I'd rather have it be under than over. So that way I know that if the tool is off by a little bit and it's a little low, then I can expect probably even higher numbers. But again, within 3 or 5, pretty close. I'll take it. Here's another example of another product. This one here, we sold 36. It says we sold 35. I'll take it. That's within 1. That's really close. And then the last one I'll share with you was 53 items sold. And here you can see 51. So we are off by 2. Again, under, not over. So there you go, guys. It's a pretty awesome tool. And guess what? It's free. You can use it for free. You get 10 product research searches per month for free. And you also get unlimited keywords, the top 3. You can do those searches over and over and over again, although you are going to only get the top 3, which is fine, but you get that absolutely free. Now, the time of recording this, it is free. I can't say what it's going to do in the future, but right now, that's why I wanted to shoot this video. And if you want to see if it is still free and you want to use it, head on over to brandcreators.com/Everbee. No credit card required. So I hope you've enjoyed this. I hope you found it valuable. Do me a favor, smash the like button and leave a comment down below. Let me know if you have any questions. I'll be more than happy to answer them. Drop it in the comments. The other thing is, if you did enjoy this video, I'm going to put another video right here for you to watch next. And this is where I was able to find a product, launch it, and get a sale within 24 hours from using this tool, but also from using a certain strategy. So definitely check it out right here. So once again, guys, I've really enjoyed making this video for you. I hope you got a ton of value. I hope you use this tool, and I'll see you in the next video.